Hi, I'm Bob Hursthouse, and we've got a really fun backyard to show you today. We always focus on our clients' needs, wants, connections, things that are important to them as one of our first design principles. And these clients came from Brazil. They grew up in Brazil, and they like to carry on some of their traditions that they had, and especially a style of cooking. So we're going to look at a Gaucho grill today and get a feel for how that will work and how that supplements the landscape. So they've got 3 kids, so we wanted to keep the backyard fairly open and wide. And then we wanted to create 2 great living spaces. So certainly the first one is hanging out by the fire, and they've gone to the comfortable furniture, so we've got a great feel and a great space to be able to have the whole family and their friends come and join us. And maybe we have a glass of wine by the fire. And it all sits up nicely around the fire pit. This fire pit's burning natural gas, of course, and it's which is nice because we can turn it on, turn it off, we can turn it up, turn it down, and have a lot of flexibility with it. So super comfortable space. I'm sitting here looking to the west, so I could be sitting here with a glass of wine watching the sunset, and it becomes a really fun family spot to be.